Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. So today I'm gonna show you how you can turn off parental controls on Oculus 2. So to stop parental control Oculus 2 on your phone, you have to open the Meta Horizon app. Then you have to search for the three dot option like this. This is basically the menu option at the top of your Horizon feed. You will find this option. Then you will see an option called Family Center. You have to tap See Parent Dashboard. Then you have to tap Settings. Like here you can see this, okay? And then you have to tap on Disconnect from Parent, and then you can review the reminders about any applications that may come from disconnect your account from your parents, and then just tap disconnect and confirm. Also, you can go to Family Center and log into your Meta account. Then you can click on your parents account and then click disconnect from parents name. So this is how you can disconnect it. So that's it. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments.